The first part of the installation consists of installing everything but the fabric. We do this on a construction site, and we install the motors, the tubes, and the brackets, and we wire it and usually program it to make sure it's all functional. Something interesting about our two-part installation is there's a time between when a job starts its punch list, when we should be doing the first part of the installation, and when it's actually clean enough to put fabric onto the job site. This time is where we cut the fabric to the exact measurements that were shipped to us based on the measurements of the tube. We usually ship fabric within 3 weeks of ordering. So the benefits of our two-part installation process originally started with us trying to have more time on the job. We felt that the shades came at the end of the job and we were always rushed to get them installed, and we didn't always do the best job because of it as an integrator. So we started the two-part installation so we'd be on the job earlier, we'd have more time to install the brackets and the wiring. But as we learned more about the process, we also realized there were a lot of other benefits. One, we could have much tighter tolerances on the fabric because now we've installed the tubes earlier. The measurements we have don't change, and we order the fabric within a 1/16 of an inch of the tubes that are already installed and working. The other thing is we have less troubleshooting at the end of the job because now we know, usually during the trim phase, if all the motors and wires are functional and are installed correctly or are level. We're not figuring out too late that we did it poorly.
One of J. Geiger's innovations that we use is the two-part installation process. With other third-party shading systems, you have to order the shade fully assembled and complete, and it takes about 6 to 8 weeks to arrive. If anything has changed in that time, then those shades are very hard or even impossible to put up and need to be reordered. With Savant shades and J. Geiger, we've eliminated that problem.